Okay, Uncle Cow Army, I'm finally doing the request left over from last year's uh, birthday special, requested by Big Red EDC. I was finally able to get everything together. He asked for the my top five EDC knives. Uh, so really, this is what they are when I pocket carry stuff. Nine times out of 10 nowadays, I will take a bag with me, just because it's a little bit easier in the power chair. But if I have to pocket carry and I can't take my bag, uh, these are top contenders to go in my pocket. Okay, in no real particular order, really. Um, and I think everyone knows this one. Um, pretty sure. Spyderco Tenacious. Really, I love Spyderco. It's one of my favorite knife brands simply because of this hole. Okay. I can grip it easy. I can close it easy. You know, and this one's loose enough. I can, you know, do that with it. Of course, I really wouldn't do that in public, but you know, but Spyderco Tenacious, had this for a while. Someone sent me this a long time ago that was into knives, no longer into knives, so there you go. Or the guy is no longer into knives. So, but you know, to each their own. Next, the Quiet Carry by Strand Knives. Again, this was a YouTube gift. I can't remember who arranged this to be sent to me. I think it was a couple people. If you're out there and you see this, chime in. But so light. It's somewhatly classy, and I can take it out in public, and no one really gives up. Really cares. Frame lock, smooth to open. You know, one of my favorites. This one's a multi-tool, but like we all know, Leatherman nowadays, they have the knife outside the tool itself. So wrong side. This was my dad's Leatherman Wave. I carry this with the pocket clip. Shout out to Flint and Steel Survival for that. In remembrance of him, he was the one who taught me about tools, fixing stuff, etc. So when I carry the Leatherman Wave pocket carry, that's remember Dad. Okay. No, not yet. Next, my favorite Victorinox model, the Victorinox Pioneer. Got the usual stuff, but I will tell you. But besides the knife on it, this little thing, the awl, comes in handy for so many different things. I can go through zip ties with it quite easy. You know, I can poke holes and rummage around in strange holes with it. Very, very handy. And of course, we all know that the knife on it is very capable. But Victorinox Pioneer, Uncle Cow's favorite Swiss Army knife, very handy. And finally, last but not least, on the self-defense side of things, this is the Mantis Knives Snaggletooth. Okay, this is like a Swiss Army knife of self-defense knives. Okay, because you have this, okay, which you can stab with and not necessarily, kill someone, and you can close it. Still have the means to strike someone. Okay, you have a ring, so it is a karambit, open or closed. Or if you don't want the ring, you don't have to have the ring, okay? And you can strike with this. Apply pressure points. Use it as it comes along for wrist locks and arm locks. Striking, so it can be used open or closed quite effectively. Again, the Mantis Knives Snaggletooth. Kind of like the Swiss Army knife of self-defense knives. And yeah, you could probably break glass with this too, if you needed to. So, those are Uncle Cow's top 5 EDC knives. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, JB, for the request. I'm sorry it took so long for me to get to it, with the move and everything. My EDC stuff was in storage for so long that it got ridiculous. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'm probably going to film the birthday special alert later today and post it tomorrow. That way everyone will have an exact month, because tomorrow's the 21st. My birthday is on February 21st. Everyone will have a month from tomorrow to post their request in that video. Not this video, but the one that's coming out tomorrow. Okay? So, stay tuned. Stay safe. Share, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Tell everyone about my channel. Let's get me to 100,000. That would help a lot. With the possible coming change, I'm going to need all the support possible. So thank you all. Stay safe, stay strong, and don't do anything I wouldn't do. Oh, and by the by, if you want a Victorinox watch at a pretty good price at this point, contact Flint Still Survival on Instagram. All proceeds will go to Uncle Cow's I don't know what's going to happen fund. So it'll help pay for security devices, a lockbox, stuff like that. So if you want a Victorinox watch at a good price, contact Flint Still Survival on Instagram. Thanks again, and like I would say, stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.